Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So, first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun icon. This is the screen brightness icon, and you can tap on it to open the brightness menu. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. You can also turn on or off the automatic brightness. Basically, if you enable it, the brightness will be adjusted automatically according to the surrounding light around your watch. You can also disable it by tapping on the icon again, and if you change the brightness manually, it will basically turn off automatically. So set the brightness to the level you like, and once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to adjust the screen brightness. So we can bring the phone that is paired with our watch. Okay. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. A bit more. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zepp application. And in the app, you can tap on device. You should see your Balance 2 XT right here. Now tap on the device settings. And here, display and brightness. You can turn on or off the auto brightness, of course. And also you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. Let me wake up the screen so you can see the changes. As you can see, it is working. Okay. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.